Stuck with a blocked friend on Discord and can't find the unblock button? Here's exactly where to go. We'll go through user settings, then content and social, then blocked accounts, and hit unblock. So the first thing you want to do is open up Discord. It doesn't matter if you're on the desktop app or the web version, the steps are exactly the same. Just get to your main Discord window and we're good to go. Now, down in the bottom left corner, right next to your username and avatar, you'll see a little gear icon. That's your user settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is basically the control center for your entire Discord experience, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Once you're inside user settings, you're going to see a whole list of options on the left-hand side. Don't let that scare you off. We're looking for something called Content and Social. It's usually in the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Scroll down a bit if you need to, and click on Content and Social. All right, here's where the magic happens. On this Content and Social page, you'll see a few different sections.
The one we care about is called Blocked Accounts. It's right there at the top. Click on that. And now you should see a list of every single person you've ever blocked on Discord. It'll show their username and their display name. Scroll through that list until you find the person you're looking for. If you've blocked a lot of people, this might take a second, but their name will be right there. Once you've found them, you'll see a small button next to their name that says Unblock. Go ahead and click that. Discord is going to ask you if you're sure. It'll pop up a little confirmation window saying, "Are you sure you want to unblock this user?" Just click the red Unblock button again to confirm. And that's it. You've just unblocked them. But wait, there's one more thing worth checking. After you unblock someone, they're not automatically your friend again. So if you want to start chatting with them, you might need to send them a new friend request. They'll get that notification and they can accept it on their end. So let's quickly recap. If you want the full settings route, it's user settings, then content and social, then blocked accounts. Find their name, hit unblock, confirm. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.